A statue of a lone rider stands in front of Austin's old municipal building. A plan to convert part of it into a new downtown Austin community court was on Thursday's council agenda. A contingent of residents and business owners showed up to take a stand against it.
If you approve this, you're going to be slamming the brakes on all the economic growth you've created downtown.
Would you vote yes to bring this back to your own neighborhood?
The Brown building across the street is home to more than 80 families. Residents like Jeff Cayley believe a court for misdemeanor criminal cases is not right for their neighborhood.
Why drop a bomb in the middle of that epicenter?
What has happened on the east side of downtown, around the Arch, is the fear.
You can see it's like looking into the future. As for myself and the other residents of the Brown building, we bought in that building with the knowledge that there wasn't anything like that in our neighborhood.
The old municipal building was selected by city staff over more than 20 sites. Thursday, Councilmember Sabino Pio Renteria restated his objection to one along Cesar Chavez.
It's not downtown. My neighborhood is not downtown. It's east of 35. We've always been dumped on every time.
In agreeing to postpone a vote, Mayor Pro Tem Kathy Tova requested information on two other sites. The Waller Center, which is the administration office for Austin Water, and the old Health South building near the new medical center.
We are going to get that side-by-side comparison so that everybody here on this dais can decide on the issue that will be before council in March, which is whether or not to expend the funds to renovate the building. That's really the question.
There's serious doubt that this issue will be resolved in just 2 weeks. From the perspective of the Downtown Austin Alliance, an old cliche remains in play. That is, the city continues to put the cart before the horse.
And it may not be a singular building. We may need a new court model to say this goes out to all parts of the city.
Bill Bryce with the Alliance believes the answer requires a lot more study.
The questions that have not yet been answered and need to be addressed first are, what do we want this court to be? What do we want its jurisdiction to be? What kind of cases do we want the court to be hearing? Who do we want the court to serve, and how do we best deliver those services? Only then can it be asked where the court would best be located.
Tovo agreed those issues are worth discussing, but indicated it's one for another time.